Hi everyone, it's me, Take Anurag, and in this video we will learn how to make a WordPress website in just a few minutes. And now let's start the video. First of all, open Google Chrome and search for freenom.com, which will give you free domain, and for free hosting search for profreehost.com, which will give you free hosting. And to get free hosting, just click on and put your email address here and put your password here and click on the tick button, and now you may see here, please activate your account first. Did not receive activation email, receive activation email. First go and check the Gmail. The Profi host has given the activation link on your Gmail. You may see here, Profi host have sent me the Gmail, the mail, and click on activate account, and it will redirect you to the Profi host page. And now you may see here, hosting has been created, and click on create new account. And now you may put your website name here, and the hosting website have given us a free domain name, but we will not choose the free domain which this hosting website will give. We will choose our custom domain and click on custom domain, and now go to freenom and click on sign in. And signing with your Gmail account is very easy, and put your Gmail ID here and put your password in the password and click on login, and just go on register a new domain. And now search your domain name here. I will search my domain name as Take Anurag and click on check availability. And now it may load in some time. You may see here it has been loaded, and I will choose .cf domain. You may choose any and click on get now and go to checkout and set this for 12 months and click on continue, and then tick on I have read and agree to terms and conditions checkbox and click on complete order button. And you may see here our domain is successfully confirmed, and click on services and go to my domains, and you may see here our domain is registered, and click on manage domain and go to management tools and click on name servers, and you should put the name server which is given by the hosting. So click on Profi host client area, and you may see here the name server are given by the Profi host, and just copy all of them and paste here. Just paste here ns3.byte.org and at last ns4.byte.org, and click on change name servers, and it has changed successfully. And now again go on client area Profi host and enter your domain name which you have registered. I have put the domain here and it is checking the availability. This domain is available So click on the tick button. Now it is loading, and it has been loaded. You may see here our account is being verified by the hosting. After some time, you may see your account is verified, and click on manage, and you may see here your username of PP login, that means control panel, cpanel, and just click on control panel. It will redirect you to cpanel. You may see here redirecting to control panel. And now it has been redirected successfully, and click on I approve. Just copy this username. It is not needed, but this is your username. And to install the WordPress in the cpanel, go to Spectacular's apps installer, and it will load in few seconds, and just install WordPress. And now it has already chosen our domain, and this is our WordPress version. And you may type here your site name. My site name is Tech Anurag, and site description I will put as default, and just type here your admin username. I will choose my admin username as Anurag. You may also choose Anurag. You may also choose your name, and you may choose admin too. And I will put my password here, and this will be your admin email. You may change also, and just click on install. And now you may see here it is checking the submitted data, and it will install our WordPress in few seconds. And you may see here our WordPress has been successfully installed. To check it is installed or not, go to your WordPress website, the domain, and you may see here it is installed successfully. And you may also go to your WordPress admin page. Just click on admin page, or just type here /wp -admin.php, and just hit enter. Oops, I typed wrong. And you may see here the admin page. Just type your username here, which we have registered while installing the WordPress, and type your password and click on login. And you may see here the admin page. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and set the bell icon to all so you can get the upcoming videos first. And if you have any doubt, then tell me in comment section. See you in next video. Stay safe, stay happy.